Welcome to my channel again. My name is James and I'm here to show you how you can put the air filter in your car, especially W203 and W204 engines in Mercedes Benz C Class. When you have a dirty filter, the engine performance becomes so terrible and you can't have a good success running or driving on your car, and that brings a terrible experience. So you need to change your filter when it's dirty. The engine needs the air, the oxygen to perform. Without oxygen, there is nothing that the engine can do. So what you need is just to open the case at the right hand of in your engine, as labeled in green, and you must use the torque screwdrivers. Is number 25, and you can see this filter how dirty it is. If it's too dirty, the filter prevents also from the engine sucking enough air. In other ways, it makes to suffocate the engine, and that's also, it's not a good sign, it's not a good thing. The performance drops again. So you need to clean. After removing the filter, you need to clean the bay on the throttle body, and afterwards then you are ready to change your filter. So you put straight to the sensor and you slide just like this down. Yeah, in front there is a sensor called mass airflow sensor, where you put the filter face, and it should be like this. That's the way it should be. Then you put the cover back and screw back all the screws in order. After that, you are ready to drive your car, and you notice the performance of your car. It will be much better. For this, there is nothing like just doing yourself, because it's easy. It's very, very easy. Doesn't need a lot of complicated dismantling and all that. You can do it yourself. What you need is just to go to the spare shop and know your model of the car, the year of the model, and the type of the engine that you have. Then you can tell them to give you the filter, then you can fit it yourself. So thank you guys. Subscribe. Remember to like my video and also comment. See you in the next video.